It's Patrick at Pals, and we're continuing on with our 750 install. Take the bowl off, and this is what you find behind the bowl. You've got the power valve here and two main jets. Now this block, which is your metering block, has to come off. You take it off like that, there's another gasket behind it. This is the well that the power valve and jets sit in, and that's how they meter the fuel. This is the front side of the system, and this is the rear. This is where your power valve is. You take a 1-inch wrench and you take the power valve out and replace it. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go from the 6.5 to the 7.5 because we have 15 inches of vacuum. If you've got a carburetor, bring it to Pals. See you soon.